Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, once again we are here with a very interesting question, and this question is very important for those who wants to study and understand the ratio in the most proper way. So the question today we are having, that is, three pots have the same volume. The ratio of milk and water in first, second and third pots are 3:2, 7:3 and 11:4 respectively. If the liquid of three pots are mixed, then the ratio of milk and water in the mixture is, so here we have to find out the ratio of milk and water after mixing the three pots together. So here the first thing which we have to find out, we have to find the ratio of milk and water in two separate ways, in separate form. So the first thing which we have to do, we take the ratios of milk and water. So you can have a look in the question as well. Let the ratio of milk and water. So these are the ratio of the three pots. So in the first pot, the ratio of milk and water, that is 3:2, and in the second pot, that is 7:3, and in third, that is 11:4. So these are the ratios. So here we have to find out separately the portion of milk and water. So for this we do, that is, we take a line, and in the first portion we take out the ratio of milk, and in the second portion we take the ratio of water. So here we are just separating the milk and water in the complete mixture. So here there are three pots. So here for the first pot, that is, so this is the complete mixture, milk and water. So this is for the first pot, and here the ratio of the milk, so this portion is for the ratio of milk. So here milk is in the form of 3. So here we write 3. It means that in the mixture, the ratio, the form, the percentage of milk, that is 3, plus for the second pot. So this is 7:3. So the complete mixture, milk and water. Here milk is, that is 7 plus, so this is milk in the third pot, and the complete mixture, that is 11 plus 4, and milk is, that is 11. So here we have just taken out the percentage, the quality of only milk in three pots, in three separate form. Now the ratio for water. So the last step of the ratio, that is water. So here we are having the same mixture. So here for the first pot, so same thing, that is 3 plus 2, and here we have just taken milk 3. So this is milk, and we have just taken the portion for 3. Now we are here to take out the portion for water in the first pot, and that is, in the first pot, that is 2, plus for the second pot 7 plus 3, and the portion of water in the second pot, that is 3, plus in the third pot, so this is third pot, so 11 plus 4, and that is 4. So if you look, these above portion below, here and here, that are same. So this is first pot, this is first pot, and same as it is in the second and in the third are same. Now we have just separated milk and water in three pots separately. Now here we are just having the ratio for milks and here for waters only. And after adding, so this portions that becomes, that is how much? So this becomes 5 upon 3 upon 5 plus this is 7 upon, that is 10 plus, and here 11 upon, that is 15. Now we have just taken ratio. So we have just separated milk and water, and we have just taken ratio for milk and water. Now for this becomes, that is 5, here also 5 and 2, this for water, plus here 10, 3 plus 4 upon 15. So the next thing which we have to do, we have to take out the LCM for this portion and for water's portion. So here if you take the LCM, this becomes, that is 30. LCM of 5, 10 and 15, if we take out, this becomes, that is 30. Now if we solve out, so 30 divided by 5, that is 6, and this becomes 18 plus, and 30 divided by 10, that becomes 3, and if we multiply it by 7, this becomes 21. And here same as it is, it becomes 30 divided by 15, it becomes 2, and 2 multiplied by 11, that becomes 22 ratio, and here LCM also, that is 30. So here we get the things, that is 2 plus 3, sorry, here we get 12 plus 9 plus 8. We have just taken out the LCM and solved this method same as it is, we have solved it here. Now this becomes, that is 30, and if we add all these 3, we get the answer, that is 61 ratio, and here that is 30, and if we add 12, 9 and 8, we get the answer, that is 29. So here 30 we cancel out and we get the ratio, that is 61 ratio 29. So this portion is the portion for milk. So this is the percentage of milk if we have mixed all the 3 pots in one pot, and we now get the ratio for milk, that is 61, and this is for water. So this ratio 61 ratio 29, this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood the question and the method of the solving. So thank you very much.